Hello again, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ali here with another video for y'all. So I'm pretty much getting ready for bed, as you can see by the attire here, and I figured I would do another lovely twist out for the night because that has been my go-to style. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed. I should run a microfiber towel through this so that I can make sure that it's nice and dry in the morning. But yeah, we're starting off on freshly washed hair. Today I'm only going to be using 2 products because it's my lazy night and I don't really feel like putting too much in my hair. I've actually been slowly creeping back into my Shea Moisture products. I've been using a lot of products that I haven't tried out for a while. So the first one is the 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment. Really good, smells really nice as well. It isn't too overwhelming and my hair already likes it. And then the second product that I'll be using is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. This is fairly new to my arsenal, so I have been enjoying it so far, and although the smell can be a bit much, it does a real good job with my twists already, so I really like that. Hair is about, I want to say maybe 20-30% dry at most. It usually tends to dry quicker on the top than the ends. So that's why it's looking like this, all fluffy and whatnot. And then of course you guys already know that I use my trusty perm rods. I'm only going to be doing 4 twists tonight because that's just my vibe. And fingers, only fingers, no styling tools, because your girl is slowly transforming into a lazy natural. I usually like to start with the front section, and these are going to be pretty chunky. The chunkier they are, the more definition I tend to get. So now I'm going to go in with that coconut oil leave-in treatment, and I'm not going to spritz too much of this into my hair, otherwise my hair will never be dry. And I'm going to focus this on my ends and my hair shaft. Then going in with about, I would say this is what, a nickel size amount of that moisture whip. Look at that consistency. It's pretty thick, which I like. Then apply it to this lovely section here and then start twisting. Now that my twist is done, I go in with my perm rod. I usually save these to the end to apply, but I'm clearly being fast with the hands right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slap that in there. And we have our first twist, y'all. Look how shiny that looks. And in part, it is because my hair is still very damp. That's why I'm kind of fearing for my life for tomorrow morning. But if worst comes to worst, I will sit under my little hooded dryer. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and literally just part with my fingers. What should I call this segment, y'all? Lazy Night Chronicles. Bam! All 4 twists are officially done. Now if you're wondering, because obviously I've sped this video up for your viewing pleasure, but if you're wondering in real time how long this just took me, it literally took me 10 to 13 minutes for all 4 twists. And this is what it's looking like. So they're nice and chunky and shiny, which I really like. Oh, I went for a deep side part there. Due to them being chunkier and a lot fuller, I may have to sit under the dryer right now because I don't trust my hair in the morning. My hair always does this. It'll look all nice and I'll sleep overnight for a good 8 hours and it'll still be wet. And I'm trying to avoid a damp twist out at all costs. I had one recently, actually. I'll insert the picture right here for you guys, and I said I was gonna redeem myself, so that's why I decided to show you guys the process of what products I was gonna be using. I'm gonna pop these twists under the dryer for about a good 15, maybe 30 minutes max, because it is 2 in the morning and I'm trying to get some type of sleep, and then I will catch you guys in the AM to show you the big reveal. Okay, see you in a bit. Good morning. So it is officially the next day and now your girl is ready to take these twists down. So I did sit under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. I was watching Living Single. This is what we got. This still feels a little, not all the way damp, just a little bit, but everything else feels nice. You see this? Whenever you see your twist just shrink up and get nice and juicy like this with a chunky twist, that's how you know. Let's take these bad boys down, shall we? So to take down, I'm gonna use the African Pride Moisture Miracle castor, grapeseed, and all that good stuff. Five essential oils with vitamin E oil. Rub that. This smells really good.
Like you owe your rent, owe me back like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. All the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Links, Minx, Bentley, Azor with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it.
So here's what my hair is looking like right now with the takedown. There's a lot of definition. It also feels really soft. It's very bouncy, which I like. It's very bouncy. Oh, it feels so nice. And there's a lot of movement. I'm gonna bring this hair to life with my trusty pick.
Like you owe your tax, owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl. Surely, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Yeah. Now let's say you owe. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this on my channel, where I just show you a real day-to-day what it is like for your girl at night when she's twisting up her hair. Or if you want to see me do a braid out next time, just leave some comments down below and give me some ideas and I will roll those videos out for you. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!